Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I'm Ana Rose D. Flores. I'm 33 years old. I live in Baywan City, Negros, Philippines. I'm single. I don't have live-in partner, but I have children. 11 years old girls and 9 years old boy. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, but I'm youngest sister.
Okay, do you have any working experience before as a housemaid?
Yes, sir. I'm work before in Kuwait.
For how many years you work in Kuwait?
4 years.
Only one employer?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
What are your job duties there?
I'm ironing, cleaning, and take care of the baby.
How old are the kids in your employer house?
5 years old twins and 9 and 10.
So they are all 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you do all the household chores there?
Yes.
Okay, do you know how to take care of the newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
So if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the pampers if it's wet, and then I will feed the milk, and lastly I will sing the song.
Okay. So if the baby is taking a bath, do you know how to do it?
Yes, sir.
So what do you need to prepare?
I prepare the lukewarm water, soap, and the towel, and then take care the nose, eyes, and nose, mouth, and to get inside. Mouth, water.
Okay, if the baby or children is sick, what will you do?
The baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and then if they never stop crying, I will tell her parents to bring the hospital to check up.
Okay. So do you have a big patient for the children who is naughty?
Yes, sir.
So do you love children?
Yes, sir.
So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I come to Hong Kong. I want financial need, and my children and my parents to take care of my children.
Okay. So if you work in Hong Kong and then if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will focus my work. I will create my employer as a family, and then I will think myself to my family need money.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you love cooking?
Yes, sir.
What?
But I'm willing to learn.
So what food can you cook?
Native food.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have any allergy?
No, sir, I eat everything.
Okay. Can you sing a song for baby?
Yes, sir. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round the bus.
Okay. Thank you. So if there's an employer who have an elder person, are you willing to assist all their needs?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, sir.
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employers. Please hire me as a high player, cheerful, helpful, as
So are you promised to finish your 2 years contract?
yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, see you in Hong Kong. Thank you.